Ebusia, come with me again, come with me again. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Ebusia, Nyama Ekoso, a Nigerian lecturer caught on camera saying things and how they want to instigate things against Ghana in our prisons. Ebusia, you need to hear this. And when we hear this, I need all of you to share this video until it will get to the latter point for John Mahama to hear, because I think John Mahama cannot see, cannot hear, and don't know what is going on. He think these guys are joking, right? Now, number 2, Ebusia, kase fila o fila. Ushana, you know, say fila de etemua, ekutani cho. Ebusia, now, the filler I have and the breaking news I have on top of what Kwekwanan put out there yesterday, and he said, I reach out to Doc himself and confirm or say I will never meet Chukwude. For what? I will never meet him. He said he will never meet. So if he's planning something like that, then he has already failed, because we know what he's capable of. You're going to listen. Ebusia, come with me again, come with me again. You're welcome back to this platform, Top Gossip 24. And I said, when you meet me here, all you have to say is Top Gossip, give me more and more filler, more filler, more filler. Ebusia, I have 2 different topics I want to discuss with you. The first one, one Nigerian guy, he is a lecturer in Ghana, a Nigerian who has been employed to Timmy in Ghana, or a lecturer, and were gathered in Crawford, or he gathered his own people, and they were discussing how they can put trouble, how they can do, and how they can manage to push Ghana to the corner by their own way of creating means of asking Ghanaians and the media people. They'll use their own media, right, to go and say that they want to see how many Nigerians are in the prison and stuff like that. And if they were not given a chance, they will start posting it and they will beat Ghanaians at their own game. A lecturer. I will show you that video, guys. It's very, 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 very important. If you have somebody who is a lecturer, who have been employed in Ghana and can stand and can say all these things that I'm saying, then this is somebody that the government, the educational system in Ghana has to identify his face. And I'm using this medium to send a warning out there to the Ghana Police Service that this man should be interdicted and his job should be taken away from him, because he's trying his best to do all the things that he's saying. And so, guys, it's very important. We're going to watch that video, and then when we finish, we'll put everything down here on this platform that we're Tiani Pepe. Now, the next one, filler or filler. So confirm, Ebusia, confirm filler. Confirm filler. It's not like it's an alleged we confirm filler. Ebusia, it is true that Chukwude Jude, aka the self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king, has do what yesterday our brother Kwekwanan put on air, that he wrote the homicide police department seeking that Dr. Hassan Ayariga should come in. Okay, how do I know that? A while ago, I tried to reach out to a couple of people and reach out to Doctor himself. Timmy, say a while ago, I tried to reach out to a couple of people and I reached out to Doctor himself. And Doctor said, I'm not going to meet this guy. I will never meet him. So the issue of him planning out there to go meet Dr. Hassan Ayariga and stuff like that, it is true, it is fact, it is something that he has decided. And this is why I keep telling you guys to say, Niyama be a koso. So now what we're going to do is say, I'll show you the video of the Nigerian guy who was the lecturer, who was talking to his own people, and the video was captured and already circulating on social media. I'll show you that video. After that, when we come, I will come in and come and give you guys all the things that are coming up, everything that is coming up, what is going on in Chukwude's house right now, what is going on, the meeting that they've had and all that. I told you guys last week, since last week I started giving you guys, and those that challenge me, this is it. I told you that they are doing series of meetings, and that series of meetings they are doing, they are coming up with a plan, a mitigation to ensure that they will stop certain things from happening before the 17th. Okay, before he was just blowing his horns that, oh, what can Dr. Hassan Ayariga do? He can't do anything. I'm like this, I'm like that, I'm like this, I'm like that. Now he's going out there doing all these things to beg, running to the police, to the homicide department, to beg for Dr. Hassan Ayariga for mercy. You understand what I mean? Now let's go quickly watch that video. We will be back, and when we are back, I'll give you guys all the filler. Can I say filler?
Whether Mahama takes this issue about Nigerians seriously or not, these Nigerians are not joking. They are not sleeping on it. They are ready to strike. So it's up to you, Ghanaians.
Air it. Within 1 week, I can tell you part of what's happening. I'm sorry to say it, but this is within us. The present government in Ghana came on the grounds of Nigeria bashing. I have listened to things some of their top leaders have said all over the world in major places. We did not take it back, sir. If we take it back, they will sit up. So media strategy, 1. Use their own media, but you know everything. I have been a pressman. There is no absolute truth in the media. The truth is, in media, any truth, even history, is truth as it is presented. Let us use our own media and get back to them. Let us see live cases. Let our media with this story say we want to go to their prisons to see Nigerians. Of course, they will turn you back. You broadcast it. Yes. You do, by the time you're through, run series of documentaries on Nigeria's relations. And sir, we take history. We look at history. Prof, sir. Prof is my teacher. He was the dean of postgraduate school when I was a postgraduate student. So, but I want to say to something, sir. I want to reinforce what you have said, and perhaps, like we say in Igbo land, it's not only a dead person you position the neck well. Historically, Ghana got independence in 57 before us, not because they were better. We were taking care of home. We were the first African country that should have got independence. If you read the biography of Nkrumah, Nnamdi Azikiwe sent him to the university in the US that he attended after he had returned to Nigeria, to Ghana. Zik had been to that university, came here, met the young man when he was a media man here, mentored him to that university, and he came back. That rivalry has been there because we don't tell them the truth. They don't know. Historically, there is that rivalry. It's sibling rivalry. But the truth is that it's a rivalry between an elder brother and a younger brother. It's the rivalry all over Africa. Mandela captured it well in 1997 when the Commonwealth banned Nigeria. When he said that Nigeria is a very big elder brother that you cannot do without. But unfortunately, this elder brother is irresponsible. But you can always go back to him. So, sir, let's take back our image. Let's take them on step by step in very subtle forms, not frontal, not open, in a subtle form. The next again is, like Prof said, you can only preach to those you've seen. The people here are legitimate. The problems are the illegitimate ones.
All right, guys, we are back, and I believe so you guys saw that video, and I know so you guys listen carefully. Now I want each and every person watching this video to share that particular video. It is important because the Ghana Education Service and NAGRAT or whoever, the Polytechnic or University Teachers Association, NUCS or whatever they call it, they should all hear this thing that this man is saying. He's saying something that will go to the heart of our democracy. They want to go and visit our prison service, demanding to see the number of Nigerians that are in our prison service, and that if they were denied access, they will make those videos, and the video will be on the media, and everybody will be watching, and everybody will be talking about it. So when they see that, they will use that against us. This is the kind of person we have employed our Ghana, and look at what the negative primitive mindset are ekutano. So we have to make sure we kill this message on arrival. Mr. Lecturer, The Ghana Police Service should invite this guy with the immediate effect. With the immediate effect. They should invite him because the mindset of Kutano and your mindset. I've told you guys to say, Janumu we are more better Ghana no, I'm on the full we are more better Ghana no. I'm telling you guys, they don't have a good mindset. Ye kasa Ghana for my yenka, ye can your presidents in Kebi, ye can your ministers in Kebi, ye can MPP in Kebi, ye can be a ding in a moshe. You see the kind of mindset they have. You see, this man has displayed the kind of mindset I told you guys also. Last week, I told you guys, say, the self-acclaimed and battle Igbo chief, no, he's trying his best to intimidate people, media for, no, I told you guys, I mentioned the kind of people or person or teacher so threatening them or putting them in a law court or suing them. I told you guys, you don't believe me. CC and NAP, no, APA. I told you guys a while ago, and this is what it is. Now, make sure, say, you share the video to every media person. It is coming. It is what? Coming. I'm telling you, he's trying his best to fight everywhere. Now, when you see a person who is being interdicted or being thrown out of Ghana, fighting everybody, it means that the end from the beginning is here. It is very, very important. So that is what it is. Now, the mindset of him trying to meet Dr. Hassan Ayariga and all the things that is holding on, this is it. Now, I told you guys, I'm going to make a video about telling you who is doing what and who is doing what. I told you, said allegedly, Jataba is the one fronting the meeting with Dr. Hassan Ayariga, and Jataba is doing a whole bunch of stuff. He's going everywhere, moving sure, putting things, mobilizing things, and putting things in places, and making sure, say, Nyama, Dr. Hassan Ayariga and the team there, it won't affect this guy. Jataba is doing a lot. The wife also contacting somebody. I told you the name of the police officer, the CID officer, Efua Bibi, so a sergeant to say who Efua, Dini Efua. I've told you guys, I mentioned it. I heard somebody saying topic, top gossip, mention it. I've mentioned it several times and told you guys the name of that guy. Or police headquarters, she keep giving information every now and then. Okay, guys, so it is very important that you guys will hear me out and throw because these people, they are doing it. Now let me use this opportunity once again to speak to all landlords. Yeah, mommy, for now we have to stop. Yenjai say the dambe rent yomo omunya dine demo they will go. Yenjai say we'll give them place to sleep. Yenjai say we'll sell our land to them. We should stop it. Because at the end of the day, Ghana ni bien ko Nigeria say okoto asase sidan. Tie me kano Ghana ni bien ko Nigeria say okoto asase sidan. Ghana bia enko Nigeria. Uko kana say one guy be can say Ghana say one Nigeria one document. Ghana say one Nigeria. They don't want to stay there. Omuye business wa omuye na mo abefi. That's what it is. Munamu ehiamo a bebe onbe ko bia no ye sake mo. Enti mu gusu bagana de bia mu plans nya ye reveal mu say mu pese mu si yi say Niger town or whatever it is ye huni nyina ye kan wasem. Enti ebusua, the basic of what I'm talking about here is say it is true. It's confirmed that the self-acclaimed Igbo king, I can tell you on authority, say I contact people, I reach out to Doc, and it is true, it is confirmed. Said this guy was trying everything. Who was leading him to do that? Jataba, the next person, and the wife, including the police officer. I told you about the police officer. This police officer, she's the one doing all this and making all the plans. A strategy to ensure, say, Dr. Hassan Ayariga will fall into that trap. But thank God, say, Doctor will never fall into it. Thank God, say, Doctor is so wise to the extent, say, he will know exactly that this is a plot. This is a plan that have been projected there for him to fall and that he will not fall inside. Guys, it's very, very important. Like I told you, I'll find time to be doing video on this every day. And every day, I'll drop you all the filler. This filler is hot. There's another meeting out there. They are trying to make sure they will go and meet the IGP. There's another meeting going on there. I'll tell you guys also what they are trying to do out there inside the police headquarters and the immigration service. They are doing a lot. And for all the media guys, they are coming with a bunch of stories. And when they try physically, it doesn't work. They will try spiritually. I am telling you guys because I've seen it. And I know what is coming. Stay with me on this platform, Top Gossip 24, and we're going to give you guys all the feelers. Niami kaya last week no, enu ne ebem no. Niami kaya last week no, and ebem. This week they have a plan, and I'm going to bring all the plans back to you guys on this platform. Top Gossip 24 with your humble servant. Ebusia, stay with me. I need you guys all to share this video. Share. No be any share because yenuanum mana mu gusu wari Nigeria for no. I'm telling you, let me talk about it again. Yenuanum man, please, they have a plan no to or more plan. They will give birth plenty. They will use some of them for money rituals. They will use some of them to infiltrate into our politics. That is their plan. Yenuanum man, munyai. You guys should stop. Anima you ganin care for me. When ye me game ni yo akra ye obla ye biye ni ha nye akwa no tumono. Nye ka na Nigeria boy say baje me nye ka ba nyi ameka nye ba afọ nyoma ketete kese amba gbeg ke biye kome na meka ba fe money rituals amba lob ke biye kome ke ba ya me mami bina ba train ame bina ba amba ba Ghana ba ka me Ghana biaje Ghana bi je ame amba buti wo politics me because I mean na akeshi wo hejo come able to politics me they want to hit on top of their becoming part of our politics and becoming a president because aha me be Nigeria na me to na fe na kai ye ka. So listen to me carefully. What I'm saying is I'm speaking to my people in Accra. These guys are there. They want to give birth with you guys plenty so that they can enter into our media space, political space, everywhere. That is their plan. The plan is to give birth with you. Don't see them as a normal person coming to give birth, and don't be cheap. Yeah, man, don't be cheap, please. Stay and protect your dignity. This is your humble servant here. That's a ne. Pure your call.